Most people use Excel every day that only know 3 formulas. I'm going to show you the 10 that actually matter, and they're easier than you think. At the end of this video, you'll be able to build a monthly budget, track grades, and organize a to-do list. These are real things you'll actually use. Let's go through all 10 one with exact steps. The 10 formulas. Sum. Add numbers fast. Step 1. Click the cell for the total. Step 2. Type equals sum. Step 3. Highlight the cells you want to add. Step 4. Close the bracket. Average. Find the middle. Step 1. Click your result cell. Step 2. Type equals average in. Step 3. Highlight the range of numbers. Step 4. Close bracket and press enter. Count. Sum. Count O cells. For numbers only, type equals average in. Count. Highlight the range. Close bracket, enter. For everything including text, type equals count O. Highlight, close bracket, enter. If. Make decisions automatically. Step 1. Type equals if. Step 2. Click the cell and add your condition. For example, B2 equals 1000. Step 3. Add a comma, then what to show is true, in quotes. Step 4. Min, max. Find the smallest, biggest. Type equals min. Highlight the range, close bracket, enter. Or equals max. Highlight the range, close bracket, enter. Concatenate, join text. Type equals concat O, or simply use ampersand like this. Equals A2 ampersand B2. Today, now, dates automatically. Type equals today for today's date. Type equals now for current date and time. Len, count characters. Type equals len. Click the cell, close bracket, enter. Trim, clean up messy data. Type equals trim. Click the messy cell, close bracket, enter. Real-world project. Now let's build a simple budget tracker using sum, if, and average. I'll show you live how to get your total income. Total expenses automatically show if you're over budget and see your average spending. Follow along and you'll have something you can actually use. Which formula did you not know before this video? Comment below. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.